the reason why Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, they don't want another fifth wife. Just because, guys, Musamseleku, he doesn't have a lot of money. You understand? Because last time, guys, Macele, she was complaining that Musamseleku, she doesn't give Macele enough money. You understand? For groceries. You understand? And now he is going to add another wife. Just because, guys, Musamseleku, he got a lot of money on Utando Nestembu, on that program, and his wives, they are getting shares on Utando Nestembu. Because last time he was admitted at hospital, he refused to pay his own hospital bills. Guys, his own hospital bills are paid with Makhumalo, Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Macele. I don't know Mayeni, because Mayeni, she doesn't want to do anything with those issues. I don't know, because Mayeni, she is not a person who, guys, Mayeni, she is Mayeni, she doesn't have jokes in her life. You understand? Guys, Musamselegui doesn't have money, a lot of money. He refused to pay his own hospital bills. You understand? Just because on that program now he is adding another fifth wife, and he is going to marry the fifth wife. That money becomes he took that money at Utando Nestembo. Musamselegui doesn't have money, and that money are his family shares, because his wives are getting that money, you understand, on Utando Nestembo, and he is going to add up another wife. And when he is going to add up another wife, you understand, it's that Samkeshi wants her shares on Utando Nestemba again. Because what I saw to Samke, she is very young, but she wants fame. She wants fame, Samke. We don't want to lie, because you can't marry a person who is older than you. You are Samke's father and Musamseleku, they are at a same school. You understand? You understand? At a same class with the Musamseleku and the Samke's father. You understand? Samke, she wants fame, and she knows that she is going to get shares on Utando Nestembo. You understand? Just because, guys, that's why those wives, they don't want the other fifth wife. They know that, guys, on that program everyone want that man, even Impumelelo and Lwandle and Snare, they want their shares on that program. You understand? So, guys, it's going to be difficult, because Musamselegui doesn't have money, especially Makhumalo, she have got him endorsements. That's why Makhumalo, she have got a lot of money, because those wives are employed, like Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she is employed. That's why she is not suffered a lot, because they're not demanding on that program only. They have got their own side jobs, you understand? Side hustles, Makhumalo and Mangwabe. I don't know Mayeni and Macele, because Macele, she is not working now.